is the ear.
That is the ear.
Welcome.
Okay, bye.
Do you want to do an intro or something?
I will do it.
Oh, wait. Let's begin. So this here is the outer ear.
Yeah, this
and
is
that
the ear, by the
captures
way.
sound and stuff, and specifically this little piece there is the pinna, and that is what really captures a lot of the sounds, and is going to bring it into the next part of the ear, which is the auditory canal, also known as the ear canal, and that takes sound into the brain through a tube, as you can see, and then the eardrum is a small piece at the end of it, and this piece vibrates and stuff, and that's what makes these sounds that we hear after it's all processed through this complicated thing here, which
Welcome to the rest of the ear. I'm going to describe the leftover parts of the ear, and then I'm going to describe how sounds get to your brain.
you gotta show us a real life ear.
There it is. You want to see the ear that's weird? There's missing a part. See there? Alright. I don't know. It's part of my ear that's missing. I was born that way.
You just got chewed off.
Sure. Okay.
You got so hungry.
So, leaving off from where Sean ended, so eardrum, we went over that. This right here, the little red piece, is the hammer, and that little dude, plus the anvil and the stirrups, these little pieces, they are 3 tiny bones that make up the piston that picks up the vibrations, and they transmit them to the cochlea. So, these vibrations cause the cochlea's membrane to vibrate, which jostles the fluid that fills the tube. This motion causes ripples in the cochlea's basilar membrane, which is in the cochlea.
Okay.
It's like around it, like it's the membrane. And it bends the hair cells lining its surface. So there's like hair cells in there that are like quite literally little hairs that like move when sound passes through them. Like
Could you
wheats,
show us? Give us
wheats
a
of
live
brain. Like
demonstration.
they move like that. Like
In the wind.
in the wind. So, moving on.
Do they collect dust?
Anything could, Shane. Okay. So over here, we have our auditory nerve, and this connects to the brain. And so the hair cell movement, which is in the cochlea, triggers impulses in the adjacent nerve cells. So the axons of those cells converge to form the auditory nerve, which sends neural messages to the auditory cortex in the brain's temporal lobe. So like, you know where the temporal lobe is based off of our last video.
Click
So-
here.
Click here for a link. It's a little part of the temporal lobe. So these neural messages go to the auditory cortex and the temporal lobe via the thalamus, which passes like sensory information through the brain. Okay. So right here we have the eustachian tube, which is a tube that connects the middle ear to the back of the nose. So it like equalizes the pressure between the middle ear and the air outside. So like when you're in a plane and your ears pop because of the like changing air pressure, that's thanks to the eustachian tube.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah, I know. So these little things on the cochlea are called semicircular canals, and they're like 3 loops of fluid-filled tubes that are attached to the cochlea in the inner ear, and they help us maintain our sense of balance. So now I'm going to explain to you how sound moves through the ear and into the brain. I like to think of it like you get like a shocking text or something, and so the
What's
shocking
the text?
I don't know, Shane, what is the text?
Yeah, but, you're pregnant.
You're pregnant. So, you're pregnant is the sound wave, and that goes in through the ear, and it goes to the eardrum, which is you. You're the eardrum.
We're all eardrum.
Yeah, no, just you. just you, the viewer.
So if you watch this, you're an eardrum.
Yeah. So then
Like and subscribe.
you tell one friend, the hammer, who tells another friend, the anvil, who tells another friend, the stirrup, and they're all like vibrating. They're like, "You're
They're
pregnant.
shook. They're
You're
shook.
pregnant." Yeah, and so they pass it on. They pass it on to a whole school of people, like CB West. They pass it on to CB
Not
West.
CB East though.
And that's the cochlea. And then through the basilar membrane, it goes to every kid in the school, the hair cells. And they're like, whoa,
They're all blown away.
you're pregnant. Like, whoa. Then every kid in the school tells the whole country, which goes through the auditory nerve. And the whole country is the auditory cortex in the temporal lobe via the thalamus.
Is that it?
And that is how sounds get to your brain.
For this video.
Our sponsors are Olivia and pregnancy tests.
Oh yeah. Get checked.
As I say that with people walking by, pregnancy tests are our sponsor.
Okay. Is that it?
Yep.
Like and subscribe. Goodbye.
Good.
Wait, what's our next video about?
The ear.
No, we just.
The armpit.
Oh, what?
Yeah, I'm not an example for
Do the hairs in the armpit flow, causing vibrations?